folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to put some special food together for you. It's called taco salad. It's an old family favorite. My mother used to make it, I make it, my kids make it. It's delicious. Watch how I do it, and it'll become a family favorite of yours. So without any further ado, let's go get in my kitchen and make some magic. At any rate, we got a pound of just ground hamburger meat that we're going to put into a saute pan and cook this off. Low and slow. Got that grease building up there. Of course, we're going to drain that off. Don't want to give you folks a heart attack out there. It's all done. Ground beef's completely browned thoroughly. Just kind of stir it around, making sure that everything's cooked up. And once we've done that, we're going to go to the next stage, and we're going to add a can of light red kidney beans. Just kind of mix all that up into our concoction here, I might say. Now I'm going to doll this up with a little bit of hot sauce right out of the jar. It'd be much better if it was my own homemade version. You could look back and see that if you'd like to see how I make my own, but for this general purposes, that will do. Let this get dolled up with a little bit of black pepper, and then of course we're going to give this another stir around the block, as they say around here at the Ball Chef Town. So I guess we get all that finished up, and that's just going to simmer there for a minute. So we're going to go over, chop up some lettuce, take that core out. Right there, whole thing, gone. Now, let's take these kind of wilted pieces of lettuce that we don't need, take a nice little sharp knife, shredded iceberg lettuce. Not hard to do at all. It's easy as pie, folks. Put that in a bowl. Now, take a nice ripe tomato, cut the label off, and take the core out. Once that's done, we've decored the tomato, throw the scraps into the sink, and no use for those. And then we'll just slice this tomato up. Just that easy. You can put more tomato in it if you like. It's up to you. I'm not a real big fan of fresh tomatoes, but I'm going to put it in there because it adds color and they're healthy for you. That goes into our salad bowl. And finally, we're going to take our Haas avocado, crack that bad boy open. Hopefully it's not black. Nope, looks good. Yes, sir. Let's take the core out there. Throw that in the sink. Don't need that anymore. That certainly doesn't belong in this salad. Now, simply dice up the avocado. Just like you do. Like I do it every time. Do it right in the shell. And once I have this avocado correctly sliced and diced, we're going to take a spoon and kind of organize ourselves a little bit here. Take the spoon, put it into the avocado, and pull out the chopped avocado. Not too difficult. I think you folks can easily do that. And get the other one. There's that little guy. That little guy? Yeah, he's going to add some flavor to this. I'm a big fan of the avocado, and it's real healthy too for you. So, get the avocado in there. Kind of mix this up a little bit maybe. And then we get some corn chips. Nice crispy corn tortillas. We're going to mix that up into our salad. And after we've done that, we have to put in the cheese. Oh yes, sharp cheddar today. This really makes this salad stand out in my mind. Let's stir that up. Here are all of our ingredients mixed thoroughly. Our forks in the sink, and now we've got our ground beef and kidney bean and hot sauce. Doll it up with a little bit more spicy sauce, and voila, we've got it. It's Gonna toss that salad and get ready to take it to the tasting plate. 'Tis done! Ah, yes! The amazing taco salad. Bam! Right on the money. This is what I knew it would be. Really great recipe. You can share with your family. Give me some love. Sub me up. Give me a big thumbs up. If you like what you see, if you don't, tell me what's wrong with it. Give me some love. I'm looking for new subscribers. If you've got any restaurant recipes that you'd like to have made, I'd be certainly happily do that for you. But at any rate, thanks for stopping by my kitchen. And as always, bon appetit.